Well friends, this is Gaya city on my left hand side, and as we all know that Gaya city is one of the major attractions in the Buddhist circuit, and it is situated on the banks of river Falgu. So I am standing on that Falgu bridge, and this is the route that goes to Nalanda and Rajgir. We are coming from Gaya. This is the side from where we come from, Gaya, and then we reach this place. This place is called Bindas, and from Bindas we will take a left turn to which will take us towards the Gahlor. This is Gahlor is again a very famous pass, as everybody knows. As we are approaching this Gahlor pass, we can see the mountain range which was cut by the famous Dashrath Manjhi, and this was a great contribution from his side. So let's enjoy this Gahlor Pass. Hope you all have seen that movie, The Manji, the Mountain Man, in which the role of Manji was played by Nawazuddin Siddiqui. It was a very good movie, and I think it won some national awards as well. Please, if you have not watched it, please do watch that movie. It is actually a treat to watch. Good afternoon friends, how are you? This is your friend and host Sushant Nirmal, and today we are in a part of the Buddhist circuit, and this place is known as Gahlor Pass, and this is a very interesting place, and it has got many things related to what we all are associated with each other, that is love, right? So people world over have done numerous things for love. Some have died, some have sung songs, some have been dramatized through various plays, and some have even gone to the extent of chopping off the hands of 22,000 laborers who had erected a monument that is, in today's terminology, an epitome of love. But that actually is not what love is. Well, while on the other hand, we have a person who, despite being poor, devoid of any of the proper resources, without any logistical support, single-handedly not only did a great work which benefited his family, but is currently being used by 60 villages nearby. We are talking about this place, which is known as the Gahlor Pass. This is near a Gahlor village in Gaya. Right now we are in the Gaya district in Bihar. So it is actually a tehsil that is located that is in the Mohra tehsil of Gaya district. The nearest railhead out here is Gaya Junction, and I'll tell you how to reach this place at a later point of time. Well, as the legend goes, for making this particular Gahlor Pass, there was a person whose name was Dashrath Manjhi, and while he was working on the other side, let me show you the other side. While he was working on the other side of the mountain, his wife, who stayed at his home nearby on this side that you see, was bringing food for him. And while she was bringing food for him, unfortunately, her leg slipped and she fell down. And she died. The nearest doctor point was around, let's say, 70 kilometers away, where a proper doctor was available. So what he did was, after his wife died, without any logistical support, he decided to make a mountain pass, and this he did single-handedly without any proper tools. He just used a chisel and a hammer to carve this pass, which was made in a period of 22 years. And this measures 110. This is a 110 meters long pass from that side to this side, and this is 9 meters wide and 8 meters deep. This guy was so industrious that I recall an instance wherein he walked along with the railway tracks to reach New Delhi to meet the then Prime Minister of India, Mrs. Indira Gandhi. And when he started doing this, you have to have passion while you are doing something. So while he was constructing this pass, or while he was just chiseling this pass, what people started calling him from the nearby villages was, they started calling him a lunatic, because he was trying to dig a mountain and the entire state machinery was against him. They even called him a thief for stealing his mountains. So that is the way he was treated. But just have a thought about the imagination and the hard work and the dedication and his love towards his wife, that a person chisels out this entire mountain just to make a pass so that no other Falguni dies. As per me, I think that is what is called true love. That is actually a true love, not what we see in the Taj Mahal as a person erecting a huge building with the help of 22,000 laborers and then chopping off all their hands. So that is actually not what love is. We Indians are into a habit of calling those who ruled us, those who have been cruel to us, as one of the greatest kings. But I think this is the work done by one of the greatest person, single-handedly. There's no support he received from any of the other people, or either from the government or from the nearby villages. Yes, the only support that they gave him was for the food and the water that they supplied him. Have a look at the scenery from this Galore Pass. This is actually very beautiful. The mountains in the background, the pine trees. As we move ahead from this Galore Pass, the gate that we see in front of us, it is the Dashrath Manjhi Dwar. And as we take a left turn from here, after about 1.5 kilometers, we'll even see the place where Dashrath Manjhi lived. So this is the Dashrath Manjhi Dwar for you. Now we are taking a left turn and we will be reaching Dashrath Manjhi's home. Well, as I said that Dashrath Manjhi stayed a few kilometers away from this Galore Pass. This is his home, which government has made a pakka house after he died in around 2007 due to stomach cancer. And the best part is that he was even made chief minister by the current chief minister of Bihar. that is Mr. Nitish Kumar. He offered him a chief ministership for an year. But the worst part is that his family still lives in abject poverty just behind this house. We also see some modifications and beautification just to give it a name. But the government has actually not done much for supporting his family or for helping him. Let us make this video famous. Thank